just go in. No, don't go away. What? Where are you? What? I'm so freaked out. Come back here, you ghost. Ooh. Ooh. It's like every time I kill a ghost. Okay, no, not every time now. No, here you darn ghost. No, you shall not get me. Oh, now it has sound. Go, ghost. You shall not get me. I will get you instead of you getting me. So I will go out now because I think I have earned enough diamonds at this shooting me out. And I really want to spectate. Mwahahaha. This is really fast. Oh, never mind. So, I don't think I will be the ghost, but then again, I don't really know what to buy. So there's like nothing to buy here, I guess. I'm just gonna go to the bean shop. Just so much energy. What about the pet shop? No, I don't have enough yet. I only have one ghost to win. Law. Stop saying law. Why am I? Oh, never mind. I knew I won't be the ghost. Oh, the pyramid. Pyramid is so hard to. For me, it's hard cause like it's not so many people, and I need to like. Oh, battery! I will follow some. Oh, there's battery over there. Oh, there's a ghost just now. No, don't get me, ghost. I need battery and some batteries. Batteries. I need batteries. Batteries. Battery. Battery. No, I need to get the batteries, you people. No. I need batteries. Help. I don't have any. Is there some batteries? Yes, batteries. I really need more batteries. Finding batteries. Good, there's no batteries. No, that's not good. I need to get the batteries. Batteries, where are you? I don't like to be alone. Help. Yeah, I know the batteries around here somewhere. batteries soon. I'm just gonna jump and help. I need more batteries. Help. No. I was so close. I need more batteries. Okay, never mind. That really scared me. I felt like I was on the pee. Vampire. What? The mummy is so cute. So, nah. Captain Squid. Captain Skeleton. Oh. But it doesn't regen at all. So I guess the best one then. No, Trigger Curse Protect's the best one. I said baddest one. I want a beam shot. Yes, the beam shot. Not enough diamonds again. I really need to get. I will get there first. Aww. If only I had enough batteries. Look at the brain. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk to you again, and I really like the swamp monster though. I really hope that I'm the ghost, or else I'm wasting my diamonds if I go to there. I want to go to the ghost shop, and I hope that I'll be the ghost next. Cause yeah, I really want to try the fake battery. Bye bye. Nah, I'm not gonna buy it. I really hope I'm not the ghost now. Am I the ghost? Oh good, I'm not the ghost. I think the guy died at last, so it's gonna be really good. Oh no. I really hope the candy corn nice. Oh, this is super creepy. I do not like this. Cause it's creepy. I need to get my batteries. Batteries. Yes, I got the batteries. Please don't spin. Don't spin while I'm alone. Please don't spin while I'm alone. Yes. It's spinning? No. 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 Go away. Go away. Go away, you stupid hand trap. Oh. That means it's up there. Okay, where is this ghost? And I hope it's not coming to me. Oh. No, it went there. I should have stayed there. No, it was right over there. I will get you, ghost. No, I need more batteries. Yes, got a battery. I need to go there, get the battery. No, I need more batteries. Help, 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 help. No, no, I need more batteries. Don't come here, ghost, unless until I get more batteries. Yes! Yes, that's good. That's good. That's very good. It's still good. Great, I won. Yay! I won, yay! I was like an insane person screaming, I need more batteries, I need more batteries! I need more batteries! Okay, so what should I buy? I need to get the beam, I think. I think I'll get this blue bean. Bean, not bean. I said bean. No, I wanted to buy my pet. Well, never mind. I feel like this is the place where they. Oh, the ghost is nearby! Shoot the ghost! Shoot the ghost! Shoot the ghost! I need more batteries. No, the ghost. Okay, the ghost is not nearby. That's good. No! Ah. Yes, battery. Darn it. Good, it's not around me. You see? Ah! No, 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 what happened? What happened? Help! Stop it, recorder. I hate you. You died. I died because of you. I hate you. I'm still blaming you on everything. I hate you, stupid controller. I am so blaming the controller. You are a bad controller. Being controller. How could you let me die? You are so mean. I'll just increase my chance. Hey, don't block me. Don't block me. Hey, ghost, I'ma get you. This is a good thing that I'm not getting batteries. What happens if I get a ghost? Hi, ghost. Hey, come here, ghost. Capture me. I want to know what happens. Hi, ghost. Oh, I killed it when it touched me. Wow. I just need to like bump into any random ghost. Then I just saw a ghost there just now. I'm so stupid. Why did I hit it? Yes! I'm gonna get you. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna spectate. Got you, ghost. Die, ghost. Die, ghost. Die, ghost. Spectate. I wish you can spectate the ghost. Oh, it's over there. He just tripped over